get an added coat of snow this coming weekend, right, Larry?
Yeah, and I was going to say, hopefully you did your lights about 2 weeks ago when it was much warmer than it is now, because we're not going to see very warm temperatures at all for the next several days into the weekend. And check out the current numbers. It's 1 right now in South Elgin, 4 at O'Hare, 7 at Midway, Coal City, you're at -1. These are the air temperatures at the moment. When you wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be in the single digits before 8 o'clock, but will warm into the upper teens, right around 20 degrees by the lunch hour, and we may even squeeze out a few flurries around midday. But the wind chills, they're going to stay in the single digits, if not below zero, throughout much of the day tomorrow as the winds begin to pick up in the afternoon. So deep freeze, we're in it tomorrow, 9 at 7 a.m., 14 at 4 o'clock. On Thursday, wind chills will be between -20 and -30, with the coldest temperatures coming Thursday morning, -3 for a morning low on Thursday. And then Friday will start in the single digits, but warm into the low 20s, with snow developing during the day on Friday. And here's the latest on this weekend snowstorm. It will start to come together by Friday morning out here near Colorado and back towards New Mexico. And as it gets going down here in the southern plains, snow will break out across parts of Nebraska and South Dakota, and that snow will spread our way as we go to the afternoon and evening on Friday. Now, to the south, there'll be a little wintry mix. As we roll into Saturday morning, a lot of the area will likely stay snow, but the latest information I'm looking at shows a band of potentially freezing rain just south of the city during the morning hours on Saturday, before it transitions back to all snow for everybody as we move into Sunday evening as the low pulls off towards the north and to the east. Now, the subtleties here on the track of that low will determine how much snow we get. But early projections, and again, early projections here from our European model and our American model suggest that this is going to be another big snow event like we've seen the past couple of weekends. By 7 a.m., the European model is showing about 3 to 5 inches, but the American model, check this out, is showing anywhere from 7 to 8 to 9 inches by Saturday morning. And then if we see the snow through the day on Saturday like I expect, the European is showing totals by Sunday morning here between 7, 8, and up to 9 inches. The GFS here, the American model, 8, 9, potentially 10 to 11 inches of snow on the American model. Again, take it with a grain of salt for now, but it does look like the potential is there for a swath of some heavy snow Friday into Saturday and even into Sunday morning. Notice the lower totals to the south. That's where we could see that little rain-snow mixture and possibly some freezing rain. So the breakdown on the weekend storm, the snow begins Friday afternoon into the evening. Several inches on Friday into Friday night. More snow on Saturday, possibly mixed with freezing rain for areas to the south. Where we have all snow, at least 5 to 10 inches looks like a reasonable bet right now. In those icy areas where we get a little mix, 3 to 5 inches of snow looks like a possibility for the weekend. We're going to find